Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 2 cubed minus 8 divided by 2 then times 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 2 cubed gives us 8. So we have 8 minus 8 divided by 2 then times 4. Now we do this multiplication. 2 times 4 gives us 8. So we have 8 minus 8 divided by 8. Now 8 divided by 8 is just 1. So we have 8 minus 1, which equals 7. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one exponent, one subtraction, one division, and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this exponent, then this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first 2 cubed, which equals 8. So 8 minus 8 divided by 2, then times 4. Now we have to do this division. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Okay, so 8 minus 4, then times 4. Now we have to do this multiplication. 4 times 4 gives us 16. So 8 minus 16, which equals negative 8. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 8.